Hello, I'm Roman, and welcome back to the series of the videos Neural Networks from Scratch in Go, where not this one, where we're using this book called Neural Networks from Scratch in Python, but we writing everything with a Golang. And in the previous video, I started with the new chapter, a real dataset. Yeah, and currently I'm trying to implement a downloader for dataset. So there are actually two things I want to implement. The first one is download of the file, which was very simple, and where is my OSP, which was very simple. And right now I'm trying to unzip it. Of course, I can do everything with the CLI. You can do it once and that's it, but it's not that interesting. Also, I want to remind that I have another channel that you can subscribe. I do other type of the videos around tech industry and the software engineering there. Plus, I have a Discord channel. You can see that it's open most of the time. So I'm pretty fast on answering if you'll write something there. And I have a Ko-fi page where you can support recording of these videos, like the Talking Head videos and this series. Mostly, if you will support, if you're willing to support, most of the funds will go for the better technical equipment and buying new materials for these coding learning videos. So let's go. And in the previous video, I tried to unzip. Yeah, let's take a look. Yeah, you can kind of see where I'm going. So it will try to download it once again. And it tries to unzip using the standard archive/zip, and there is unsupported compression algorithm. And if we take a look at if we take a look at the file information about this zip archive that Neural Networks from Scratch website provides, you can see that it uses the compression method LZMA. And in between the videos I've checked, and it looks like the standard, what is it? The standard zip, archive/zip, cannot work with the 7-zip type of the compressions. So I found another package that should do what I need. And there is even the extract archive. There is an example how to work with this. And the main thing is here, it works with LZMA one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually install it. So I need to go get, I think that should be like this, right? Okay. So it should download. Okay, download it. Then I think I need to restart the LSP so it will add it. So what I'm going to do next, delete inside not this one, delete inside this one. Okay. What I'm going to do, I think that should be this. No, not this one. Okay. Delete. Imported but never used. Okay, so let's try it. So basically I can just be like this. Sorry, I removed this and this. And archive, I think that should be file path, right? Name string. Okay, so what I'm going to do, that will be file URL. Extract file. So basically I would assume that I can print some information about the file. Let's see, file info and name, right? No. 7-zip, not a valid 7-zip file. What do you mean? This is the zip archive data, at least. Maybe the version? Really? Open reader with passwords. Okay, so it's okay, it's open. What is the inf for? Name, okay, name, modification time, system. I'm not interested in this. Okay, then there is a reader for size. Okay, it's basically correct one. File path. What is X? X return the file name extension used by pad. The extensions. Okay, so it's basically an extension. Reader. Okay. And it tries to init. What is this? There's a new hash. Okay. The signature. Find signature. I guess this is how it determines if it's okay. Okay, I think that will be for too long. Okay. Okay, error is nil. Okay, len offset. Okay, so error is not a valid 7-zip file. My run will work. Okay. Unsupported compression algorithm. Okay. Go archive/zip LZMA. Package LZMA supports decoding and encoding LZMA strings. Reader write support the classic LZMA format. Reader to and write through the ports. Reader. Zip. Seven zip. There is a one working with the files in. I mean, I'll try to spend some time with this, but once. But is there a way to provide the compression? Well, the decompression. Pure golden pattern for read and write in X decompressed files. First, reader one. I mean, this is weird because unsupported compression algorithm. By the way, at which point? And zipping trade. So basically, I think that should be in this place. Hey, I will try to debug it for a while, but then I will stop and just unzip it manually, and we will stop for now. Right. Mhm. What is F? Okay. F is the file handler. So basically, okay, this is what I need. Okay, find body offsets, okay, strings, as suffix, where is strings? What are the strings? Okay. Compressed size, new section read, decompressor. Okay. So the decompressor is nil. And zip decompressor. But why it's nil? Okay. Register decompressor registers or overrides a custom decompressor for a specific method ID. If a decompressor for a given method is not found, reader will default by. Okay. But decompressors. Decompressor. Remember register decompressor. Okay. Allows custom decompressors for specified method ID. The common methods store and deflates are built in. Do I have an example? Okay, let's use Google for this. LZM. Maybe I can combine the LZMA. Enable to unarchive file with the LZMA. Okay. Successful decompression. The bug is occurred in the LZMA. Maybe here. LZMA. A cross-platform multi-format archive utility of powerful supported compression formats, supported archive formats. Okay. Map files on the disk to their path in the archive, but if I don't know. Virtual file system, this is my favorite feature. Periodic archive compress. Okay. Okay, what is the decompressor? Decompressor is the func. It's basically Reader. Okay, so basically I need a way to define methods and the decompressor. And the decompressor is basically it's decompressor, and that is decompressor. This one, right? Returns a new decompressed reader, reader from R, the reader. Okay, so I assume what I need to do is something like zip register decompressor allows custom decompressor for a specified method ID. The common method store and deflates are built in. So I need something that will follow the decompressor interface, and that will work. The only thing is I'm not sure where to get the LZMA decompression. Okay, let's do go LZMA decompression. This one originally exported from. Okay, the compression originally. So do I have the decoder? New reader returns a new reader closure that can be used to read the uncompressed version of R. It is call's responsibility to call close on the read closure when finished reading. Okay, so I will try to use this one. I'm not sure, but I mean, why not? Go get this one, right? Mail form. Okay, so then it means I can LZMA. Okay. Then the question I have is what should be the method's number, right? Yes. Okay, open. Once again. Three. Why are you jumping over? Okay. Once again. Decompressor, right? So 14 0xe. Unzip. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to zip register decompressor 0xe and LZMA new reader. Can't use LZMA new reader value of the as a zip because I need the decompressor. decompressor. That's better? Okay, let's try once again. Oh, okay. Wait, did I wrote? Oh, wait. It's incorrect one, right? Load store. Sure. What? But where I was registered compressor, right? Where is it? It's zip reader. Oh, it's on the reader itself. Where I have the reader. I think this one, right? File. Okay. 0xe and LZMA new reader. Okay. So it creates decompressor and methods. This one, okay. All right, then we go next. Next. Okay, so I assume there should be, there should be a decompressor, right? We have one. So it returns the decompressor. Okay, so that was actually unzipping. What to do with the dirs? So then the question is how to replicate the same folder structure. Can I just, do the same as I did here? So just do this, right? The copy is F. No. Wait, copy, no. And then, where is it? I need to create, right? So I'm creating target file, and that should be, I think, f.name, and that will be target file. So then we should copy. And copy takes the destination first. The destination will be target file, and that will be f read stream, right? Will it work? No idea. No such file or directory. Okay. Okay, then but there are no such file directory, right? File order exists, it truncates. If the file doesn't exist, it creates. If successful methods on the return file can be passed IO, blah blah blah. Okay. I think we don't want this, so probably here's the place. Wait, why I can? What just happened? Wait. Ah. Couldn't launch process, not an executable file. How I can? Okay, looks like I need to build the. So there is a target file, and I'm trying to create, and there is error, right? Okay. Okay. This is expected, more or less. Can I take the what's called wait, OS, and can I take the get dir or something like this? Get dir, get system directory. Maybe this one. It returns all but the last element of the path, typically the path directory. After dropping the final element, dir calls clean on the path. Okay, enter if the path is empty. Okay, so what is this? What's the package? And dir path equals to dir os dir? No, io dir? Where is file path? Okay, file path dir. Okay, and f name, then download file. Where I've been creating. Okay, no, nowhere. Okay. OS mk dir. Oh. I did it just before. Okay, but the only thing is dir path. Let's try once again. Okay. 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 And what's an error? So it cannot make it recursive, really? Wait. Okay. Let's do it. .os file, right? And there is a story URL. If as is exist error. Just return. Wait. Open, right? Open. Nil. Close. FMT already downloaded. That makes sense. Let's try. Make run. No. But it exists, right? Okay. All right. Okay, dear all. Okay, dear all, right? Okay, dear. Okay, dear. Okay. Okay, dear all. Maybe this one. Error in LMA encoded data stream. What the? Oh, boom, boom, boom. I'm trying to understand at which point the error happened. Okay. No. Copy buffer. Okay. So it's not okay, right? Okay. Read from. And I think that should go into no. Where is voice file? Read from. Stop. Okay, copy. Error in LSMA encoded data stream. Interesting where it got its error. in DMA encoded. No. Goes here. If a reader has a write method, similarly, if the writer has a read from method used to do the copy, read from, did it read from, do we have it? No. Okay, so maybe but can I get the data from it? So f zip file. Okay, wait, what is f? Then I'm taking, okay, open. I have the read stream. Reads. Yo. Reads all. Read all fs rs data r equals to okay, and data your write all targets file write data okay, does this make sense? Okay, we have the target file. Do we have the data? Really? Empty data. And what's the file name? Okay, you know, I have no idea what I'm doing incorrectly, so I will stop. Well, I will just unzip it. And I mean, if you know what I'm doing incorrectly, please tell me. Tree fashion image. Because yes, I can do pairs. Can do need PK compatibility version can do. Really? Unzip brew install unzip. Very interesting. Archive utility. Okay, open a archive utility. I don't know. I mean, I have the unable to expand into the X. Okay, I mean, I don't know. Even the standard application, the Mac application, cannot unzip it. So I'm not sure what a weird zip archive is used here. I tried to use the unzip CLI tool, it didn't work. I tried to use the standard one, it didn't work. So only the application from the App Store could handle this archive. I know. I mean, I tried to do this, but not sure what happened. Okay, so I know. Okay, consider this as the learning day. I mean, I tried to use the archive zip with the custom decompressor provider, which, I mean, it's not something that I did before, so I still considered it's a good learning. I'm not sure if this part of the code is correct. Well, but at least this one is correct, but it's not a hard one. And I will continue in the next one. So we have zip images extract all. So I'm not sure how they implemented this, but yeah. And actually we can try to open some, I don't know, some image. And yeah, there is a t-shirt, right? Oh, I can zoom. Okay, a little bit different than this one, but okay. So in the next video, I will go next, and actually the interesting part will be the data loading, especially the images, because we'll need to learn. I mean, here they use an OpenCV. I will take a look meanwhile. The package for, I mean, there is definitely a bindings for the OpenCV. I mean, I found them before because I thought it would be a good idea to write bindings for the OpenCV, but turns out it was already built. So probably we'll use it for things like this and actually extracting the two-dimensional data and then decoding it into the dense layers. Which will be actually an interesting thing, how we will do this. Yeah, probably we will flatten it into one-dimensional array, and then we'll be able to use the code. Funny enough, if I will need to create the network that will have, but actually the same that I have right now with the spiral data, right? Okay, let's see. That will be the next video. I'm not going to this right now. That probably would. But if you understand what I did incorrectly with this one, please tell me, because I'm not sure what was wrong. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.